Welcome to All Things YouTube.
Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas, and we're going to be talking about computers. You are on YouTube, you need to edit videos, you need a computer. Thankfully, any computer that was released in about 5 years' time, it's going to be just fine for editing video. If you are streaming, you are going to need a very high-end system. Look for the term gaming in the marketing of a computer when you're shopping around. It should be a gaming PC. A lot of people stream on the Windows platform. You can do it on the Mac, but most people are on Windows. And, buy as much RAM, a fast processor, and a beefy graphics card. The system uses all of those resources, full open. It's very taxing. That's what you'll need if you're trying to do streaming. When you're creating video, you're talking very large files. Very large files need to be stored somewhere. In most cases, you should have an external drive connected to your computer, and that should hold your video files. That way you keep the storage of your computer for the operating system and some other critical functions. And when computers max out on space, then all kinds of other things start cascading and going wrong because it's having trouble writing data because it doesn't have a lot of space. Avoid that problem. You're going to need a backup routine. Now, you'll have to decide how much of your project files you're going to keep. Some people throw everything away and it's just on YouTube and they're just fine with that. I don't play that game. I like to keep everything. But it requires some good file management and a lot of storage. Thankfully, storage has come way down in price, and it's pretty reasonable. The backup routine. I recommend the 3-2-1 backup method, which essentially says you have 3 copies of your file at any one given time. One copy is the thing you're working on, where it's in production, where it's live, where it's active, and then 2 other copies elsewhere, one of those copies off-site. And those 2 copies that are elsewhere on 2 different kinds of medium. Like, you can't have the same 2 files on the same drive, because if the drive fails, then they both go. So you could have another backup storage drive in your location, and one could be an internet-based backup solution. There's a bunch of services that will pull the stuff off your computer and back it up to the internet. Those are a good solution. You have to edit. You need a computer. Some say you could do it all on a cell phone. While technically that's true, that's not the life you want. You want a real computer. All right, we're going to leave this one here. Thanks, Internet. Drop a like if this was helpful. The top video is always the next video in the lesson. I will see you on the next video.